You're allowed to kick. Just don't kick in the nuts. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh! Come on, Perry. How you doing, Juggalo Clayton? Kick some ass. How about you, Perry? Referee here with the blood and bloody knuckles and bruises.
You're helping me.
Okay. Come on, fight, guys.
Yeah.
Fight!
Okay.
Come on!
You're...
Fight!
Whoa!
Oh! Hey! Come on! Don't stop! Oh! Why are you guys stopping? Just come on! Come on! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh my God! This is so cool. Oh! The best ever kid street fight. Oh. Come on. Look at the bloody knuckles right here.
Dude, what the fuck?
Come on.
Get out of timeout.
There ain't no timeout. I can't stop this. Come on. Somebody has to lose. You're so small, dude. There's bushes. You guys can use bushes. Yeah.
No.
Okay, fine. I got blood on my shirt. Fight! Got blood all over my hand, too. Oh! There ain't no backing. Come on, get in there. 1, this fight's gonna be over. 2. Ooh. Oh! Don't stop! Don't stop! Don't stop, Clayton, don't!
It's over.
4. Oh, no. Okay, come on, Perry, get in there.
Hey, what is that? Whoa. Fight's over, ding, ding, ding.
No. Somebody gets knocked out, it's over.
That's gonna take forever.
But no, because you guys are sitting there playing with yourselves. Come on, fight. Oh, there! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is so fucking cool.
Hey, still friends though, right?
Okay, come on! Come on, guys! I'm gonna have to start beating both of you if you guys don't. Come on! Tell me if you give, you can give. Oh! Okay, fight, so.